Nestled in the heart of South America, a remarkable transformation is taking place in the small yet mighty nation of Guyana. This enchanting Caribbean jewel is undergoing a renaissance, fueled by its burgeoning oil industry and newfound wealth. From groundbreaking oil discoveries to colossal creations, Guyana is carving out a prosperous future, thrusting itself into the global limelight. Join us as we embark on an extraordinary journey, exploring the dynamic changes reshaping Guyana's landscape. We'll witness how this country actively works to establish itself as a leader in energy, agriculture, climate action, environmental stewardship, and biodiversity conservation. Series of oil and gas projects. Let's start with what's powering Guyana's extraordinary economic transformation, its oil and gas projects. In 2015, ExxonMobil discovered significant oil reserves in the offshore Stabroek Block, estimated to hold over 11 billion barrels of oil. Since then, more discoveries by ExxonMobil and partners like Hess Corporation and CNOOC Limited have confirmed Guyana's status as a major player in the global oil industry. The development has been swift. By December 2019, just 4 years after the initial discovery, production began with the Liza Phase 1 project. Production has soared beyond initial expectations. Liza Phase 2 and the Payara fields are also up and running, with Payara starting production in November 2023, bringing the Stabroek Block's total production capacity to 620,000 barrels per day. Looking ahead, the fourth and largest development, Yellowtail, is set to start in 2025, adding another 250,000 barrels per day. Uaru, the fifth project, is slated for 2026, contributing another 250,000 barrels per day. Guyana's oil boom is truly reshaping its future. Kumu and Moko Moko hydropower plants. Next, we have two projects aimed at boosting Guyana's energy independence. 2 hydropower plants are in the works in Region 9, the Upper Tukutu and Upper Essequibo areas. A new 1.5 megawatt hydropower plant is being built at Kumu, while the defunct Moko Moko hydropower plant is being upgraded to increase its capacity to 0.7 megawatts. These projects will significantly improve access to electricity for residents of Letham and nearby communities. As of April 2023, work on the $12.8 million Kumu and Moko Moko hydropower plants was progressing smoothly. This is part of Guyana's low-carbon development strategy. Additionally, a 17-kilometer transmission line is being constructed to connect these plants to the Letham Power Company grid, further modernizing the country's electrical infrastructure. East Bank Demerara Road Improvement Project. Transportation is crucial for any growing economy, and Guyana is no exception. The East Bank Demerara Road Improvement Project is a vital upgrade. This project involves rehabilitating 23.5 kilometers of highway from the capital, Georgetown, to the East Bank Demerara. The improvements include widening the road to accommodate pedestrians and cyclists, enhancing drainage, and upgrading bridges and culverts. As of December 2023, 2 Chinese companies were competing for the contract to repair the East Bank Demerara corridor, funded by a $17 million loan from the Inter-American Development Bank and the Guyanese government. This road is a crucial link between Georgetown and the East Bank, a key commercial hub. New Demerara River Bridge. One of the most ambitious projects is constructing a new bridge across the iconic Demerara River. This bridge will connect Region 3 with the capital, Georgetown. The main cable-stayed section of the bridge will be approximately 570 meters long, with a total length of 2.4 kilometers. Designed for a speed of 80 kilometers per h, it will greatly reduce travel time and enhance connectivity. As of October 2023, the project was 27% complete, with preparatory work underway on the first high-span 4-lane permanent hybrid concrete and cable-stayed structure. China Railway Construction Corporation is handling the construction, which is expected to be finished by late 2024. Linden to Mabura Highway. Another major road project is the upgrade of the highway between Linden in the north and Mabura in the south. This transformation will significantly improve transport and logistics. Over 2,800 meters of drains have been completed, along with 19,000 meters of cement-stabilized subbase and 16 kilometers of asphalt. The Wismar Bridge, part of the highway, is also being upgraded to enhance connectivity between Linden and Mabura. This road will link Guyana's coastline with its hinterland, and more importantly, It will connect Guyana to Brazil, opening up new trade opportunities. East Coast Railway Embankment Expansion. Our next project involves both road and rail improvements. The East Coast Demerara Railway Embankment is expanding into a new 4-lane road, stretching from Sheriff Street in Georgetown to Mahaica. This $184 million project will improve traffic flow and provide much-needed relief from congestion. This expansion will not only enhance road travel but also improve rail services, making commuting smoother and more efficient for everyone. Guyana housing projects. Guyana is also making significant investments in housing. Billions of dollars are being spent to develop housing infrastructure across the country. In Region 5 alone, $3.5 billion is being invested, with an additional $4 billion for housing schemes in Mahaica Berbice, including roads, drainage, electricity, and water. In Region 6, $9.2 billion is being used to develop housing projects. Major developments are underway in Shieldstown, Burma, Baylock, and Experiment. The government is working with private developers to build new homes in both urban and rural areas, offering family homes, apartments, and townhouses. Financial assistance is also available for citizens looking to purchase homes. These housing projects are designed to meet the growing demand for quality living spaces, and they aim to enhance the overall standard of living for Guyanese citizens. Moreover, these initiatives are creating numerous jobs in construction and related industries, further stimulating the local economy. By prioritizing sustainable and inclusive housing developments, Guyana is laying the foundation for a prosperous future for its people. Healthcare infrastructure improvements. Just like housing, healthcare infrastructure is seeing a massive overhaul. Guyana's Smart Healthcare Facilities Caribbean project aims to make health centers safer, greener, and more resilient to natural disasters. The most recent upgrade was the Parika Health Center, completing the retrofitting of 5 health facilities. These facilities now include modern safety measures, green technology, and improved patient services. Additionally, a $161 million state-of-the-art New Amsterdam hospital is being built in Region 6, which broke ground in January 2024. Quarantine River Bridge between Guyana and Suriname. A project with international implications is the construction of a high-span bridge over the Quarantine River, linking Guyana and Suriname. The two countries signed a Memorandum of Understanding in 2020, followed by an agreement in 2022 for a feasibility study and design. Once completed, the bridge will accommodate ships of 47,000 tons with a vertical clearance of 43 meters, and it is expected to have a lifespan of 100 years. This project will strengthen transportation links and foster closer economic ties between the two nations. Guyana International Airport expansion. Last but certainly not least is the colossal expansion of the Chedi Jagan International Airport. This project is set to transform the airport's capacity, boosting it from 1.5 million to 4.5 million passengers annually. After a decade of construction, the new facilities include a superstructure building, a curtain wall, and 2 boarding corridors for larger aircraft. Further upgrades are planned, including the replacement of the asphaltic concrete pavement for the airport apron, estimated to cost $612 million. This expansion will attract more tourists and businesses, creating thousands of jobs and driving economic growth. The numerous colossal projects underway in Guyana mark a profound shift in the country's economic landscape and its position on the global stage. Fueled by the transformative power of oil and gas exploration, Guyana has the financial capacity to embark on these ambitious initiatives, from transportation upgrades to enhancing healthcare and housing. In 2023, Guyana was the world's second fastest-growing economy with a growth rate of 38.4%. The country is working hard to ensure that its oil and gas wealth benefits all its citizens. However, Guyana faces challenges, including environmental sustainability, social inclusion, and governance. Responsible management of its resources is essential to maintaining a sustainable development trajectory. Critics have raised concerns about environmental impacts and reliance on Chinese companies for many projects. But with careful planning and a balanced approach, Guyana has the potential to become a shining example of sustainable development in the 21st century. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Guyana's rapid transformation and these colossal projects. How do you see these developments impacting the future of the Caribbean region? Share your views in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insightful content from us.